Okay, hi everyone. So let's talk about router. Okay. So if you have done Express based framework, you might have seen there is a Express router, right? Or Nestjs is heavily inspired by Angular. तो Angular में भी हम router use करते हैं, router module dot register, if you remember, right? तो वैसा ही कुछ Nestjs में भी है. We don't really use it that much. But let's say you are writing a very big monolith. आप कह रहे हो यूजर मॉड्यूल के लिए मुझे यूजर प्रीफिक्स चाहिए एपीआई यूआरएल के अंदर. देयर इज अकाउंट मॉड्यूल, जो अकाउंट मॉड्यूल के जितने भी कंट्रोलर और राउट्स है उनके लिए मुझे प्रीफिक्स चाहिए अकाउंट. और प्रोफाइल मॉड्यूल है तो ऑल द राउट्स, ऑल द कंट्रोलर और एपीआई राउट्स कमिंग फ्रॉम प्रोफाइल मॉड्यूल शुड हैव प्रोफाइल एज अ प्रीफिक्स. उसके लिए द बेस्ट वे ऑफ डूइंग इट इज यूजिंग द राउटर मॉड्यूल. So Nestjs provide this router module which put the prefix for that module. तो यहाँ क्या करें, डैशबोर्ड मॉड्यूल है. डैशबोर्ड मॉड्यूल will get prefix dashboard and you just need to register that with the router module dot register. Rest other way of all the other things works in the same way. It is just a way to add a prefix. अब क्या करते हैं हम कंट्रोलर में ही प्रीफिक्स ऐड कर देते हैं. दैट्स वन वे. और यू वांट टू मे बी मेक अ क्लीन अप्रोच, तो जो भी डैशबोर्ड मॉड्यूल है put it inside a dashboard routing module. Okay, so you can see here you can also create a subpath. So here dashboard module will get a prefix admin dashboard. Here matrix module will get a prefix admin matrix. तो इस तरह से आप nesting भी कर सकते हो. That is just way of how we create how we decide the naming of path. Here you can see admin dashboard और admin matrix. अब इसको कोड लेवल पे कैसे देखते हैं? We can see that in the code example. So currently in this example you can see I see the route, user book, user courses, user profile. ठीक है, that can be the coming from controller and user can be the prefix. So here I'm also using this routing module. So I mean, the code is simple. It looks a little bit lots of file, but in this routing module what I'm doing, router module dot register, and the routes is just an array which contains the module name and the prefix. So here you can also register like I want to use admin route. So let's see this admin route thing. So you can see here for the user module will get prefix users. Similarly, I wanted to create a admin route. Just copy this file and we can create admin module, admin route. There is a controller also, so we can create a separate controller that will point to the admin routes. Okay, so let's create those set of files. So I'm creating admin route.ts. So admin will be prefix. This is admin routes, and I will be using admin module. Admin module we need to create with some controller and all. So inside controller, I am going to create one admin module and corresponding controller. So copy paste कर सकते हैं. I will be creating just for demo showcase की how it is really work. Admin module.ts and just put only one controller, admin controller maybe. And inside this create a admin.controller.ts and copy paste some of the content from another project. That's the admin, and this is admin controller, and just export this and import this inside a admin module. So here is our admin module. We'll push admin controller. So we got the admin module, right? Now admin module, you pass the admin module in the route, admin route. That's it. Import this, and this admin routes you can register here. Routing module dot register, and we are passing both the routes. You can just add a dot routes. This is an array of routes. That's it. Now you can see, you will start seeing that the new path gets registered as with the prefix. So here you can see user profile. Maybe I need to register that. Okay, yeah, forgot to add the admin module here. Now when I restart, I should be able to see all the paths popping up, that admin routes also. So here you can see user books, user courses, and there is a last route is admin, because I have registered admin module and registered that on the router module. I mean, this is not a very critical concept. We rarely use it. I haven't used this router module at all, but sometimes you want it to organization. You should be aware of this particular concept, that you can create the router prefix using this routing module concept. And we haven't changed much. We are just using this router module dot register and passing just array of key value pairs.